Hey everyone, this is Johnny from Chatty Sun, and I want to show you this very interesting AI capability that I'm just finding out about. On the side, I'm interested in 3D modeling and 3D printing and things like that, so I've had an eye on OpenSCAD, OpenSCAD, which is a tool that lets you code your 3D models. It's like a 3D modeling for programmers. And I just found out about this online WASM, completely in the browser, OpenSCAD editor. So this lets you write code to generate 3D models in your browser. You don't have to install anything. You just go to OpenSCAD.cloud and pull up the application. And if you know SCAD, if you know SCAD, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I do not know this technology. But if you do, you can code your 3D models in there. Now, I don't know SCAD, but I have this friend that does. And so I'm going to go ahead and ask Claude to provide some OpenSCAD code. Let's see what we can do. Always be polite to the AI, you never know. Let's start with something simple like a cylinder. Let's try this. So yeah, I would expect that to be a pretty short definition. And there's that. There's our little cross of cylinders. What next? Let's make them hollow. Let's make them two intersecting pipes. All right. It's very interesting code here. And I have no idea what this code is really saying. I mean, once I read it, I can see that we're doing some cylinders and rotating them and placing them. It's pretty cool. This is a very neat interface. It's all online. You just pull it up and you can already see. Now, what I had in mind, and this is all just super arbitrary, but I had in mind that we'd be able to look through the tube, right? So let's tell that to Claude. Is this how it feels to be a product manager? Okay, let's see what that does. I'm just going to delete what was before and paste in the new one. Press play. And see what happens. Look at that. Okay, so this is just what I asked for, which is a four-way junction of tubes. I don't know what we need this for, but that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that AI can generate that. Let's try something else. Something like okay, hello world, like a hello world. Can it do text? Yeah, cool. Okay, and there's an option here. We can add a base plate. Let's try that. So it gave us a little option that we could uncomment this, run it again, and that's if we wanted to have it just as a thing. There's a little gap there. Is it? Sure is. Can I do anything about that? Why did you do -1? But now there's probably some overlap, but I guess that's okay. Try a chair. That might be one of the simpler things to create, I guess. Can we make a chair? And yeah, already we can see there's kind of more code in there. Just because it's a real world object, there's more involved. There's all the details. Okay, interesting, interesting. And I'm just going to ask for some other suggestions of things that the AI can create as 3D models. Wow, yeah, all these would be very neat to generate. How about like a pot? Like a pot for a plant, one of those potted plants pots with a hole in the bottom. All right, yeah, cool. That works. Very neat. Look at you, AI. You're a designer now. How about this? Let's try this on. Can you put a plant in it? Oh, there's a parameter. There's a parameter for show flower, and then I don't think we ever use it. What am I missing? Am I just not reading right? I cannot find the part where it shows the flower. But yeah, no, there's just no flower in this code. Let's see. All right, can we get a potted plant, a plant pot with a flower in the pot? Look at that. That is really something. Just took a minute. It just took a minute to render. But that is a potted plant. That is a flower in a flower pot. Check you out. That's a flower in a flower pot. How cool is that? Right on. Way to go. Way to go. I'm gonna download this and print it too. So that is what AI can do now. We're generating 3D models just by asking for them. And I don't know SCAD. I don't know this at all. I could have never done this. So it's really amazing that I can just say, hey, I would like to see these models and have them automatically created. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Follow the channel so you see more like this. We'll be exploring the possibilities of AI more and more going forward. Thanks for watching.